once we decided we wanted to get married, we had to figure out where to go. Unfortunately, I couldn't simply take John in his wheelchair 6 blocks to the county courthouse here in Cincinnati. We had to go out of state.
The longtime couple wed on a tarmac in Baltimore. John was too weak from ALS to travel by any way other than plane.
We landed, parked on the tarmac, and Aunt Paulette married us.
Days later, it was brought to the couple's attention Jim Obergefell would not be listed on John Arthur's death certificate when he died.
It was devastating. It hurt. It made us angry. And John and I decided, this wasn't something that we thought we should be told, and it certainly wasn't something we thought anyone else should be told. So we decided to file suit against the state of Ohio.
His case has traveled all the way to the Supreme Court. The justices are considering it along with others centered around marriage equality. As the nation awaits the ruling expected in June, Jim is not sitting idle.
I would say the biggest change in my life is that I've become an activist, which I've never been before.
In June, he will lead the Pride Parade through downtown Columbus.
Over the past year or so, I'm just embracing life as a gay man more than I think John and I did. We were just quiet. John and I were just John and Jim. We just lived our lives. And I've discovered that I really enjoy being more active and more involved in the gay community. So I'm very excited about the Pride Parade and being the Grand Marshal. Definitely yet another experience I never thought I would have.
Sharing their story also helps him keep his husband's memory alive.
People stop me on the street, they stop me in businesses to thank me. And it's incredible to know that John's and my story has had that effect on people, and people really relate to it. I guess there could be a couple things. Everybody dies. And I think everyone wants their record as a person and as a citizen, they want that record to be accurate. So I think a lot of people can relate to John's and my desire to have John's last official record as a person to be accurate. So I think there's that. Everyone dies. Everyone knows that's going to happen, and everyone loves someone. That's the other thing, and I think that's what a lot of people see in our story is we just loved each other. We're no different than the people next door, and we're simply asking for the same rights everyone else enjoys.